We're now at week 2 or module 2 in ethical financial planning practice. This is very important because in this week we tend to put some flesh around the bones of those questions that we introduced in the first module. Those big questions about what's ethics and so on. We're now going to be looking at that in far more detail. And in particular, we're going to look at, if you like, the founding system of ethics, the system that 3-year-olds tend to adopt and see as fairly common sense, what we're going to be calling the realist approach to ethics, to moral philosophy. And we're going to be taking that a little bit further, of course. We're going to be looking particularly at the method of Aristotle. The advantage of that is that next week, when we start to look seriously at alternative systems, we've got a foundation in place which is quite solid and systematic. Otherwise, you'll find that you'll be a little bit at sea. So go through the lectures, the resources online for this week. You'll probably find that they are seat of the pants, almost obvious to a certain extent. You might have some questions. Good idea to post them on the general discussion forum and just see if it makes sense, see what the applications are, give some thoughts to where you see this approach to moral thinking in evidence around you, and perhaps give some thought to what exceptions you might have for it. And that will help us as we move into modernity, Machiavelli, and so on in the next module.